On 23rd of October, Khatkhati Police intercepted a truck on suspicions of transporting illicit black pepper and rice during a routine checking at Khatkhati Police checkpoint. It was reported that the incidents took place late evening around 6 p.m. on Sunday, when Khatkhati Police intensified their regular checking at Khatkhati Police check gate after an intel was received from their sources. During its routine checking, a 10-wheeler truck bearing registration number RJ19GC3301 coming from Dimapur and heading towards Bokajan was stopped at the Khatkhati Police check gate along National Highway 39 in suspicions of carrying illicit contrabands along with it. The truck was checked rigorously and recovered 300 bags of illicit black pepper and 70 bags of rice from the truck. 3 people were apprehended by the police. 2 of them was reported to be the origin of Rajasthan and the other one was from Golaghat district of Assam. In connection to this case, a vehicle bearing registration number AS03AG7707 was also seized along with a cash worth of Rs 3,50,000 from their possession. The culprits along with the contraband seized were taken to Khatkhati Police Station for interrogation and further investigation. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbin Long Live.